Np.Random.Rand or Random.Random. While analyzing a code, I've stumbled upon the following snippet. Variables MSK and df are irrelevant for my question. After doing some research, I think this usage is also related to random class as well. It gives true with 80% chance and false with 20% chance on random elements. It is done for masking. I understand why it is used, but I don't understand how it works. Isn't random method supposed to give float numbers? Why are there Boolean statements when we put the method in an interval?
Np.Random.Rand, len, df, returns an array of uniform random numbers between 0 and 1. Np.Random.Rand, len, df, is lower than 0.8 will transform it into an array of booleans based on the condition. As there is a 80% chance to be below 0.8, there is 80% of true values. A more explicit approach would be to use number py.random.choice. An even better approach, if your goal is to subset a data frame, would be to use how to split a data frame 0.8/0.2.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.